Got a fast one for you today. Got a gate latch from Rekeying. It's a quick set, and this particular part, in order to get it out, what it has is it's a special control key that it comes with. You insert it, turn it all the way around, and then you can pull out the whole cylinder. Without that control key, you can't really pull it out. Yeah, that's the control key for a quick set gate latch. That's what you need to access the deal. So I've rekeyed my lock, and of course putting it back in. Got to do the same thing with the well, now our control key is not going to work because it's been rekeyed. Let's see. The control key notch allows the back of the key to recess, that deal to recess into the groove. So I'm going to have to make this key into a control key. So I'll put it on the key machine upside down and cut the same notch in the key, and we'll just make a control key that's rekeyed to our existing key. Okay, here it is, setting it up. I put it in upside down, and now I'm going to take my key, and I got to put that one in upside down as well. Get it nice and straight. Theory. I've not actually done this before, and this one just came with it. I figure that has probably some benefit for you guys too, and it is what it is, right? Gotta figure it out. First I gotta figure out where to set the camera. Okay, here we go. So, wear safety glasses when working with keys, as it's non-ferrous, so it's non-magnetic, so it can't get the particle out of your eye if it gets in your eye. So here goes. And we're actually going to reset. See, this looks just a hair crooked. There we go. Here goes. Okay, now I couldn't get a square notch. I'm going to leave the control key hooked up, but I got kind of a V notch close. Hopefully it's enough to get the job done. So, let's see here. Here's our control key. Yay! That pulled in, and that's enough to get it in and get it done. There we go. Had to make our own control key, but what it is, gotta do what you gotta do. Okay, and I'll probably just break this key afterwards, that way no one by accident pulls the cylinder out of the lock, or I'll keep it somewhere safe, and that'll be that. But now my key's rekeyed and we're ready. I just have to key the other side, but you guys know how to, because I have other videos showing how to rekey. Anyway, thanks for watching Kung Fu Maintenance. Over and out. That's the gate latch control key. And if you ever had to make something like this to get in there, it's just under the third notch from the front, and it's about a ½ inch over. So, and it's just cut to the bottom of the first bend, yeah, in the key or groove. So, you know, you could cut an opening. It just uses a spring and allows the deal to go into that slot there. And so just a way to get around it if you ever had to.
Standing on the edge of death and life, standing in between wrong and right. Light shines down, bring truth. Us will fall. Darkness fade to light. Pain give way to eternity. Just a test, it's a challenge, hurt or just give it all you got. It will pass, it will fade. What you see is temporary, what you don't see is eternal. It will last. Hanging with the pain. This temporary pain gives way to what